Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Library. Miss us? We are your one-stop shop for all things tech tips and tutorials. Today, we go back to Snapchat and walk you through on how you can get to your story, as well as how to see them. Whether you're a veteran on Snapchat or new to it, it is quite helpful to know how to work out the whole system of Stories archives. Therefore, we can go straight to the point. The first step then, for this process, is to open one's Snapchat application. If you're already on the main screen of your Adventure app interface, scroll over the camera centered at the lower half, or tap on the profile picture at the top left corner. This will take you to the profile page. Now, to get to the Story archive, you have to click on the 3 lines or dots at the top right of the page next to your profile. Click on them to open the settings of the symbols. In the settings that you open, you will look for Memories near the end of the list, below other categories of Xperia applications. Once you find the Memories option, tap on it. Here you will find several options associated with the Memories section, one of which is Story Archives. To see the saved stories, click on Story Archives. When you are inside the Story Archives, you can then browse for the stories that you have saved. Snapchat categorizes these in date, by which it is easier to search for older stories. To view a story, once a story is available, one must tap on it. You can then watch it like it's a current story. Swipe up more options like Share It, Download it on your device. So there you have the wonderful world of advertising. And that is how you can easily view your story archive in Snapchat if you wish to see any of them. Both for organizational purposes and nostalgic sentiment, finding your story archive in order to review them is easy once you know how. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Tech Library, for more similar tutorials. Bye. I hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you in the next one.